Mga kapatid, ito ay Biblia ng Roman Catholic. Okay? Ito ay imprimatur ito ni John Cardinal Hinan, Archbishop of Westminster, at re-imprime protest by Jaime L. Cardinal Sin sa August 31, 1984. At ang nag-compile nito, sabi nila, nag-translate nito, guided by the Holy Spirit. Sa introduction of John, dito mababasa sa John page 1188, sa kanilang introduction, nagsasabi sila nga ang prologue ay yung chapter 1 sa John 2:18 is apparently contains an independent and subsequently adapted to serve as a preface to the gospel. Adapted, independent hymn, awitin pala ito, independent sa labas. It just adapted to serve as a preface. Sabi na dito, dagdag pa, although tradition identified person as John, the son of Zebedee, most modern scholars find that the evidence does not support this. The evidence, so they denied the authorship of John. Yan pala modern scholars also rejected because there is no proof that John was the author. Paano ngayon? In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Pala yan, introduction pala, or sabihin, prologue, and independent hand, just adapted pala para magamit na preface sa John. Hindi pala ito kasama sa John in the beginning. At ang modern scholars, they don't accept nga John, the son of Zebedee, siya ang author. Hala, isip-isip, lusot-lusot.